there you have it. Now the pin lock is mounted inside the visor. Do you also have a problem with a lot of fog on your visor when riding slowly or standing still? There may be a simple solution to that problem. To most helmets today, you can mount a pin lock on the visor. In this video I will show you how I mount the pin lock on the visor in my LS2 Pioneer II helmet. I have never done this before, but hopefully it's pretty straightforward, so it should probably not be any problem. So first of all, there is a small Allen key that's come with the helmet, and that one is for unmounting the visor from the helmet. So I start with this side and turn the helmet over for the other side. First, unmounting the left side, or the right side of course, and then flip the helmet over to and take off the visor. And the first thing I will do right now is to clean the visor, because I have used the helmet one time. I'm sorry that I don't show you the cleaning part, but you have to use your imagination for that part. Then I will take the pin lock that I recently bought, and also try not to touch any of the side. And actually I don't know if there is any protection plastic on this one. At the outside there is, but I don't know if there is anyone at the inside. But I don't think so, because I can touch the silicone sealing that's on the pin lock at the inside. So probably I will just take the pin lock itself and mount it. And this is a little fiddly. But there you have it. Now the pin lock is mounted inside the visor, and then I just have to remove the protective plastic from the pin lock. And there it is, mounted and ready at the visor. After that I have to reassemble the helmet. And hopefully I will take the correct pieces. Tighten it, not too hard. Flip the helmet over and take the other side as well. Put back this one there you have it. The pin lock is mounted on the visor, and I will now try the helmet on to show you and see if the visor is fogging or not. First, put the helmet on. Okay, I have to take the glasses off. The helmet on, like that, and then the visor down, and now I start to breathe inside the helmet. I don't know if you can hear me, but and I can see when I am breathing inside my helmet, I can see that it starts to fog a little at the small edge of the visor, or what to say, that's under the pin lock, but the pin lock itself, there is no fog. So it looks as it works really good, actually. So I will take the helmet off so you can hear what I am saying. I didn't have any problem with the fogging while riding, but as soon as I stopped, it started to fog inside the visor. And with the pin lock, the visor stays clean from fogging much better. So I definitely recommend you to buy a pin lock for your LS2 Pioneer II helmet. So that was all for this time. I hope that you liked the video. I also hope that you stay on my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.